Easy engine under the stage. Now it is said that the demolition of our wild is for maintenance. Under the rear bridge, fuel tank completely separated. The cadre is enterprising. This old asphalt in the car. Say goodbye today. German imported cars have to be matched with German paint. Must be BASF water-based application period. This is worthy of his import status. That's why the engine overhaul. The camshaft and rocker arm are badly worn. Ultrasonic cleaning of all parts. Original parts have arrived. One person, one machine. Start assembling and learn together. Chassis keys refurbished. Fuel tank refurbishment begins to soften surface dirt. Plastic refurbishment. Check out this before and after renovation. All chassis keys start station docking start. Engine boarding. Oil and water must be original. A chisel finally enters the reloading environment. Look at our skillful approach. Who dares to say that there will be abnormal noises after installing? Last magical moment. There, that's what you do. This CLS was the forgotten mechanic. Today, I rewrote Cypress in the corner. I wrote love letter. The steering wheel no longer transmits a bumpy sigh. It's the ambition of engineers buried in the site 20 years ago. You see, the real classics never retire. He just hide in time, waiting for someone who understands him. Forge rusted fate into metals. All convinced dreams are worth breaking into butterflies. Like this moment, he is using moss. Write new poems on the spiral track. May we also be able to bang the engine in the corners of life. Forge rusty days into the wind. You see, even steel can wait to be reborn. Why should we? Don't make a nice bend with time. Show.